Just a quickie little video to show that the curtains are done. This one will stay because it's a perfect little match with the coloring. And these curtains are done in the RV. And the tie backs that I made. Yes. The next project is replacing this. Because this has had, these have been in here several years and need some TLC. I'm working on that. And this is the dividing wall. Separates this area. So excited. Yes, it is. It is a vintage 1976 little RV. Refrigerator here. More storage here. Cute little oven and range here. And yeah, don't forget, Jesus loves you. All right. Good night, everyone. Good night.